going to show you guys what's inside my boxes from ACS Composites. So these are for a C6 Corvette base model 9-watt non-wide body. So basically it's the front split and the side rockers or side skirts, whatever you want to call them. So I got the ones from AC Composite, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside the box. Okay, I already opened them up. Took a little quick look inside to see how it comes. They come well packed and stuff like that. So you have all your hardware in there, your extra little fender parts, a few things in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these out and I'm going to show you what they look like. Even this one, I open these up. These are the side parts. They come well packed inside there. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to show you guys what they look like. Okay, so I took everything out of the boxes and this is basically what it is. So you get the instructions, a couple stickers inside there, all the fasteners, everything like that's inside there. You get some stickers over here, which are also taped inside the box. Inside the box with my front split comes I got the little side options for the front. Basically all these things I got them, they're black primer, because I'm going to paint them to the color I want for my car. And also I got the sides, which again comes with instructions. And that's the underneath part. It's a little rough, but that's the way they do it when it's a composite like this. So there they all are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all these together. I'm going to unwrap them, get everything out, get them all ready, and get them painted. And I'll show you guys what they look like when everything's unwrapped, and I'll have it all laid out for you. So here's all the parts. Everything out of the box, unwrapped. The only thing I'm not showing you right now is the hardware, but I will show you that. It's just a lot of it, so I just want to lay it all out. But these are what the parts look like. Again, these are a primer. This is a primer black, so they need to be painted. You can't put them on the car this way because they have no UV protection. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the kit with it. So this is going to be for the front split first. Basically all the rivets, washers. What's inside here is cards. They're in essence thank you cards for doing business with us. You get some stickers, and you get the instructions. So that's for the front split. And then this pack comes with the rocker guards, or rocker covers, or side skirts, depends on what you want to call them, right? These are side rockers according to the manual. That's the same cards. You get the rivets with this one. These have two different size rivets. These have a shorter rivet and a longer rivet. Basically what they'll tell you in the instructions on where to place them. You get two little rivets. Oh, actually these go with the other kit. These two little rivets are for the sides that I got to go with the front split. Basically joins the two pieces together, joins the front split and the little fender sides. And there's the fender sides. I got all this stuff laid out on my car, and I'm going to get to installing it, and I'll show you guys how all that's done. So watch the next video and we'll show you everything and how it all goes together.